Well, access to mental health care is a challenge, and it is an issue that doesn't just affect adults. There are a number of options for treatment for children here in the Valley. Mark Patrick Walker explains how one nonprofit is standing out in the mental health field.
United Citizens Foundation started its first school-based services in 2016 at Valley High School. A year later, they had 3 schools, and this upcoming school year, they will expand to 6. As mental health becomes a larger part of the conversation, UCF is trying to fill a void. Development and Community Outreach Director Sherry Brown says while many schools have counselors, UCF brings therapists to the students.
They are trained and have licenses to be able to do those type of therapies with students who are in need of the services.
Mental health is one of those things that crosses all boundaries.
Clinical Director Mark Saindon is one of 5 therapists who work in the 6 CCSD schools that have so far partnered with UCF. He says last year the foundation's therapists conducted 1,200 sessions with students, and that was spread only among 3 schools. He says that's proof the need exceeds what the school counselors can handle on their own.
So they can see the kids maybe 50 minutes at a time, whereas we can see kids up to an hour at a time and really dig in and do some of the more serious mental health issues.
UCF's operations are funded primarily by state grant money, which has been stretched to double the number of schools it can serve. The services are free to students and come at no cost to schools. Hollingsworth STEAM Academy Assistant Principal Mia Nelson says the results speak for themselves.
It helps their academic achievement because they're able to be here at school and be functional and build those coping skills that they need.
Nelson says past efforts were often hindered by a stigma of seeking help for mental health or substance abuse counseling, but UCF's in-school services remove many of those barriers.
Our parents were not following through with those counseling resources, but having UCF here in-house, it's really is priceless having them here.
UCF also operates 2 community-based clinics that are open to the general public as well as to students. I'm Patrick Walker, 8 News Now.
And if you'd like more information about the United Citizens Foundation and its services, we placed a link on our website, lasvegasnow.com.